In our problem 3, we identify and explored the significance of educational policies in shaping effective bilingual learning environments. At a higher education institution or university in Bogota, which is our context, we see how policies gaps impact on academic actors, from lack of bilingualism strategies, inefficient teacher and professional development, low English language proficiency to inadequate resources and instruction. In this video, we'll outline the next objectives to address these issues, aiming at strengthening the policies to support bilingual education and language improvement for all learners.
One of our objectives is to implement strategies that strengthen bilingualism programs of a higher education institution or university in Bogotá to get the B2 English level proficiency expected in the Colombian bilingualism policy, which is totally aligned to Proyecto de Fortalecimiento de Bilingüismo, part of the Colombian Education Ministry current strategy, which is focused on improving English proficiency in primary, secondary, and on strengthening bilingualism programs on higher education as well. This project is built with more modern approaches and updated objectives. Then we have some other objectives. For example, as you can see, the first one is aligned to the Programa Nacional de Inglés de Educación Básica, PNIEB, from Mexico, focusing on enhancing English proficiency, particularly in universities, aligning it with professional development and career opportunities. The second objective, Programa Nacional del Inglés from Argentina, sets specific hours for language education across different levels, including the higher education. And finally, the third objective could fit with the Costa Rica's National Plan for English Education, which includes professional development for English teachers, integrating modern teaching methods, focusing on communication and real-world application of language skills.
The implementation of innovative teaching methodologies and community engagement initiatives in Bogota has the potential to significantly enhance English language proficiency among Colombian higher education students, despite the challenges highlighted in the 2022 bilingualism policy. While the 2022 bilingualism policy indicates that many Colombian higher education students are not meeting the required levels of English proficiency, there is a growing body of evidence suggesting that targeted educational strategies can lead to substantial improvements. In Bogota, urban educational institutions are increasingly adopting modern pedagogical approaches that emphasize interactive and immersive learning experiences. These methods not only engage students more effectively, but also foster a supportive environment for language acquisition. Research has shown that bilingual education programs, when implemented effectively, can lead to improved academic outcomes and greater language proficiency, as Gonzalez and Lopez said in 2023. Furthermore, community involvement in language learning initiatives can create a more conducive atmosphere for students to practice and enhance their English skills outside the classroom, as Martinez said in 2022. This dual approach, combining innovative teaching with community support, offers a promising pathway for Colombian students to overcome the barriers to achieving the desired levels of English proficiency.
Implementing continuous professional development programs in communicative teaching methodologies for English teachers in higher education is an opportunity to strengthen teacher competencies, align instructional practices with the bilingualism policies, and improve English learning outcomes for students. Continuous and structured professional development programs should integrate communicative methodologies and modern teaching strategies that promote linguistic and communicative skills in students. Research shows that continuous training significantly enhances teaching practices. Colombia's bilingualism policy requires educational institutions to adapt to its standards. Professional development programs aligned with these objectives can ensure that teachers are better equipped to meet the demands of bilingual education in their classrooms. Implementing continuous professional development programs not only strengthens teachers' preparation, but also fosters a pedagogical practice that promotes communicative learning. This alignment ensures that higher education English programs support the goals of bilingualism in Colombia, benefiting both teachers and students.
Level the playing field. How can we ensure all students have an equal chance to succeed at university, regardless of their background? Many arrive with limited English, and that can be a huge barrier. Bogota universities can make a big difference by offering pre-university English courses, financial aid for language instruction, and mentorship programs, especially for first-generation students. Boosting English proficiency in Bogota universities. In today's interconnected world, strong English skills are essential for graduates to succeed. Bogota universities can really empower their students by focusing on needs-based English programs. This means tailoring the curriculum to different disciplines and using communicative approaches that emphasize real-world language use. Boosting engagement, empowering teachers. Improving English proficiency isn't just about students, it's about creating a supportive environment for teachers too. Fostering a culture of collaboration where teachers learn from each other, experiment with new approaches, and work together to overcome challenges in English language education is essential.